A key duty of a company director is to ensure that the company does not trade while it is insolvent. That is, if there are reasons to believe the company will be unable to pay its debts in good order as they fall due. This duty is so strong that if a company director allows the company to trade while insolvent, the director can personally be liable for any debts incurred while the company is insolvent. Many directors, however, particularly in small family companies, may really have very little to do with the operation of the business. Mrs. Morley was a director and majority shareholder of a family company which had operated tobacco kiosks in the Melbourne CBD. Her husband operated the business until shortly before his death in 1979, and then the son took over. Mrs. Morley was paid a weekly allowance, but beyond that, she knew very little about the operation of the business. In 1988, business was not going well. Rival kiosks were apparently sourcing low-tax tobacco from Queensland. A new underground railway line in Melbourne had reduced foot traffic, and public health programs to reduce tobacco consumption were in full swing. The company fell into insolvency, but the son did not tell Mrs. Morley. The company traded while insolvent, and Statewide Tobacco sought to recover its losses from the directors personally. Mrs. Morley raised the defence that she had not known and could not reasonably have known that the company was trading while insolvent. The court rejected this defence. Justice Ormiston said, "A director should not be entitled to hide behind ignorance of the company's affairs which is of his own making, or has been contributed to by his own failure to make further necessary inquiries." On the other hand, directors are not required to have omniscience. Directors are entitled to delegate to others the preparation of books and accounts and the carrying on of the day-to-day affairs of the company. What each director is expected to do is to take a diligent and intelligent interest in the information either available to him or which he might with fairness demand from the company. From this case, we learn that even directors who are not directly or heavily involved in the company's operations are expected to take reasonable steps to perform their directors' duties, including ensuring the company is not trading while insolvent.